Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. If you're looking for coffee mugs to do some DIY projects, take a look at these ones from ABBSH. If you're like me, then you also get nervous receiving glass in the mail because there's always that risk that it will not come in one piece. But you do not have to worry about that when it comes to these cups. They came packaged very well and secure, and nothing was broken or even scratched. In line with that, I was really impressed with the quality of these mugs as well. They are made of ceramic, but they feel very sturdy and well made. I also love that these have the colored insides with the matching handles, which adds a unique touch to them, and there were no chips or missing paint on any of the colors. Now to the DIY fun side of things. This is a very versatile option. They can be sublimated on, but I used them to add some vinyl designs, and they turned out so cute and held on well. If you want to give these as gifts or resell them, you can do that too because the company included gift boxes that will be at the bottom of the foam insert in the package. But you know what? Maybe you just like the look of these cups and want to use them just as they are, and guess what? You can definitely do that too. So whether you're crafting or just looking for your next favorite mug, definitely check these out, and that's my point of view.